Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Barber Pastors. Guys, if you are looking for some new haircut, we are going to help you to discover some new hairstyle and haircut transformation. Don't skip this video, watch this video till end and you will find great haircut ideas. All of this crispiest haircut transformation inspired by the most trendsetter barber around the world, and they will solve your problem. They will give you the right haircut idea for your next style.
My client has a curved hairline, as you see here. Typically, barbers push it back to look like this. To avoid that, I start in the middle and work my way to either side. As you see, he's got light corners. Work my way to the right side. Would you look at that? I fixed his hairline without using any color enhancements. If you like what you see, click the link in my bio and book your appointment today. I even did a brush test just to show you how sturdy that hairline is. No overhanging hairs whatsoever.
Right haircut idea for your next new hair idea. No matter what type of hair you have, no matter which face shape and face feature you got, I think these barber will find you a right haircut idea for you. These barbers are always ready to give you a top-notch haircut, so I think this atmospheric is very friendly and welcoming, and whenever you will go to these barber shops, I think you will be the lucky one, and because these barbers are very professional and they got amazing skills.
Siempre que hablamos de textura debemos tomar en cuenta que mientras más elevamos el cabello, más movimiento, más alborotado, y que cuando hacemos cortes rectos, pues la textura va a estar más compactada y con menos movimiento. También que debemos lavar bien el cabello, tiene que estar en cero y utilizar un buen protector térmico para secar el cabello y que pueda recibir bien el producto. Cuando hablamos de textura también tenemos que saber que un buen polvo texturizador nos va a ayudar bastante con ese movimiento, con ese alboroto que necesito, y que peinando hacia abajo voy a obtener una textura combinada como podemos ver aquí. ¿Qué le parece este videito? Durísimo el cambio, mucha textura.
Video ever for you, because in this video the barber will teach you to how to cover your bad spot, or like these haircut transformation, and give you the right idea to just tackle with your light spot or receding hairline, and they got amazing skills, as you can see. If you are still watching this video, I think you are enjoying. So if you didn't subscribe our channel yet, I think you have to subscribe.
Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how to go about doing the mid taper. I'm combing everything out right now. Then I'm going with the grain with the number 1 guard lever all the way close to smooth everything out. So now I'm going no guard lever all the way close to get rid of our first guideline. Then we open that lever all the way up to get rid of that middle guideline, as you can see. Then we're going to throw a number 1 guard on there to blend in that middle guideline.
Visit that barber if you are lucky.
Now I'm going to use my half guard lever all the way close to get rid of that bottom guideline using the edge of my clip.
Perfect haircut from this barber.
Now throw a 1.5 guard on to blend everything in with the top. Now as you can see, I'm detailing no guard lever all the way closed using the edge of my clipper to blend everything and get rid of those small guidelines. Now I'm going in with my lineup using the edges of my trimmer only. There you go. Here's a front view. We got a super crispy mid taper. We threw enhancements on. This is a behind the ear view. This is a side view. Like and follow for more. It's D Blends. Let's go.
These barbers are very professional. The way they are handling their tools, and like, I appreciate their work. I love that work. And the most important thing is these barbers are and not that much costly. Like the way they doing that haircut, I think it's worth it. Like if you are paying $700 to $100 to get a haircut like this, I think it's worth it.
Sometimes you just gotta accept that certain things will never go back to how they used to be, because certain people will never go back to who they used to be in your life. Sometimes you just gotta wake up and realize that what you're holding on to just doesn't exist anymore. And the more you can accept what is, the less you'll be controlled by what was.
All of these transformations are incredible. Guys, don't forget to comment your favorite haircut of the day. I hope you had enjoyed all of these best haircut transformation by the best barber around the world. Notification to get update for every crispiest haircut transformation. Thank you.